NEM stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Newmont stock, it's 8% up, which is decent performance for Friday, but I want to look at the broader picture, the high time frame chart, which I actually also love. Doesn't immediately mean that I'm gonna straight up buy tomorrow, you know. Make a big distinction. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, and I have all the proof to back it up with 39,000 videos. The only thing sitting between me continuously buying now and just still waiting a bit is a little correction. I mean, obviously I want to be a part of this, but unless I see a little pull down, the price gives me a proper double break, then I'm not going to look to take it up. That's ultimately what my outlook on the NEM is looking like. Now, obviously, without the proper confirmation, then there's going to be no buys. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.